Let's get started.
Good luck.
Thank you. 1.8 million businesses are likely to shut down by the time this pandemic gets over. And that's not because they don't have the right products. It's mainly because they're finding it difficult to adjust to the new normal and sell on e-commerce. Now, COVID has given e-commerce very strong tailwinds. There has been an explosion of people buying online. In fact, McKinsey says that 52% of all brand sales will come from e-commerce by 2025. That's a whopping 3x growth in less than 5 years. Yet, most brands agree that this is the biggest problem that they need to solve today. If a brand really wants to sell on a single channel, then Shopify would be enough. However, most brands today sell on multiple channels of sales, right? And as they increase the number of channels of sales, the complexity increases exponentially. As this is why we built Unimart, to integrate all of these different problems and create one solution for the brand. Hi, I'm Shaik. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Unimart. I'm a retired officer of the Indian Navy. I'm also an INSEAD MBA. In my last job as the MD of cross-border e-commerce at Rocket Internet, I helped thousands of businesses from LATAM, Africa, South Asia, and China scale their businesses across the globe. At Unimart, we help the brands to sell on 25 e-commerce channels across 100 countries through one platform, helping them to increase their revenues 2 times and reduce their costs by 35%. Our SaaS platform takes care of everything that is core to the brands: e-commerce, shipping and supply chain, marketing. We even use artificial intelligence to predict sales, optimize pricing, images, content, etc. We've raised $2 million in investment so far, and we're currently working with 200 businesses, and we have $400,000 in annual revenues. We have 50 plus key partners from across the globe that we have integrated with. Our main revenue model is SaaS. However, our scalable revenue model is a commission model, which we've launched recently. Our AI tools save the merchants 7 to 12% costs per order and also help them to increase their revenues. Now, as you've understood, Unimart is not a channel of sale like Shopify. Channel Advisor, Pitney Bowes, etc. are our competitors. However, they are legacy platforms where most of the things are still driven manually. Things like marketing, supply chain are not integrated and makes it difficult for small businesses to scale. Our founding team has all ex-entrepreneurs with 70 plus years of combined experience across e-commerce, supply chain, and strategy. We understand the pain that these small businesses are going through, and we want to help them to succeed. We've recently partnered with Vodafone, HSBC, etc. We've been selected by Techstars and Alchemist and the Google Search program. The pandemic will lead to major changes in the way people shop online, and most businesses will struggle to survive. We have an opportunity here to help them to succeed. And I'm looking for good investors to come, partner with me, and help me build this global platform. Thank you.